Well, Vidya was clearly mentioning while speaking to Mustafa Sheikh that the procedure is now quite a long procedure because they will have to get the detailed order from the sessions judge. The order is being recorded at this point of time. The reasoning will be given that why the three accused have been denied the bail. And only after that, once they receive the detailed order, only after that they can approach the Bombay High Court and try to seek the bail. But what seems to be the grounds for rejecting the bail is the Narcotics Control Bureau's argument seems to have been accepted by the sessions judge, saying that right now the case is at the investigation stage. 20 people have been arrested. The section 29 has been applied for the case, which deals with the conspiracy of dealing in the drugs. So the court thinks that right now, because the case is at the primary stage, case is at the investigation stage, there is a possibility that all these 20 people might be connected together, and that argument has been accepted by the court, it seems. The WhatsApp chats, again, has become a kind of a stumbling block for Aryan Khan to get the bail. This is exactly what happened during the Riya Chakravarti case. Finally, Riya Chakravarti had to take bail from the Bombay High Court. And that is what exactly has happened even during this. Let's try and speak to our correspondents. I think Paras Dama continues to be with us from Mannat. Paras, it's a big disappointment. It's a big disappointment for Mannat. People had gathered there, but even today there is no bail.
Yes, Sahil, we are outside Mannat right now, and people who has gathered near Mannat had started to leave now. I will show you how Mannat is empty over here. People has left from Mannat as the fans of Shah Rukh Khan and Aryan Khan was expecting that Honorable Supreme Court will grant bail to Aryan Khan, but it has not happened, and people are very disappointed about it. And people had left from Mannat in the morning. There were a lot of people who had gathered near Mannat and was praying for Aryan Khan that he will get bail, but Honorable Session Court has rejected bail plea of Aryan Khan, Munmun Dhamecha and Arbaz Merchant. Before some time, people gathered over here and they were praying, and they were expecting that today Aryan Khan will get bail, but it has not happened, and it's a very big disappointment for Mannat and the fans of Shah Rukh Khan and Aryan Khan, Sahil.
Well, Paras, you continue to be with us because I think Vidya is joining us, who had just come out from the Sessions Court. Well, Vidya, you just went inside, and as expected. Okay, I think one lawyer is speaking at this point of. Let's listen into the bite first, and then I'll come to you. Yeah.
Appointment because we were expecting a positive thing today, because there were several precedents which we were relying upon, but unfortunately what the order has come, we were not expecting this.
Though the whole order is not yet come, but do you think what went wrong here and what?
See, I cannot speak anything on that because the order is yet to come in hand, because we will first have to peruse the grounds.
Okay, so the lawyer, right now the detailed order hasn't come, so they have very little to talk about, because obviously everybody would like to know the reasoning behind the rejection of the bail and why the NCB's arguments were accepted. Vidya is with me. Vidya, it's now very clear that they will be approaching the Bombay High Court, because that is how finally Riya Chakravarti and others who have been booked on the basis of WhatsApp chats had then continued for the conspiracy and other charges, had to seek bail from the High Court finally. How soon they can approach the court?
Well, they can approach the court right away. The bail pleas are almost ready. They just have to attach this order whenever it comes. 1 hour from now, half an hour from now, 2 hours from now, whenever it comes, they just have to attach that. So probably the filing process would have started by now in the Bombay High Court. After the filing, it has to be mentioned before either Justice Sambre or another bench that will be there, Repti Moti Dere or someone, before whom this entire mentioning will happen, and they will have to seek a time so that at least by then the NCB files a reply. So that they'll have to hurry up, remember, because Diwali vacations are also coming up. So they really cannot afford to take as much time. Delay this process cannot really happen. They have to do it as early as possible.
Right, but what seems to be the reason why that the bail application finally has been rejected?
It does seem like ASG's submissions that the investigation is still going on. The fact that in spite of the investigation, what they have, remember, as you were also saying, every time when the investigating agencies come up, they immediately ask, say that they have WhatsApp chats and all these.
Vidya, I think you try and speak to Amit Naik.
Amit Desai.
Wait for a few minutes, you'll get the order.
So do you have the detailed orders of what
No, I don't.
submissions that have been
Please maintain your protocol.
We did. So what was the reason the bail was rejected? Are you going to apply in the High Court?
I don't have the order, so I can't answer the question.
So are you going to apply in the High
Will
Court,
the
sir?
filing-
Until we read the order, we don't know.
Are you going to apply right now, sir, in the High Court?
We have to wait for the order.
So as you heard, that was Amit Desai, lawyer for Aryan Khan, the senior counsel who had argued the case, and he very clearly saying that as of now they are waiting for the detailed order, but the process for actually filing really begins right away as soon as the rejection is filed, and immediately after that the entire filing process begins.
Well, that is now really going to be interesting that when the High Court will hear the case now. Let's go back to the studio and continue with our coverage on Aryan Khan's bail application, which now, I think now will happen in the Bombay High Court.
Yes, Sahil, Vidya was also mentioning that